So doing this little short, this is Don with Uniquely-DOUBLEBEE. So last night, we were finishing up our run from Tennessee to Texas, and there was a point in our journey where a guy hit a deer, and it was like a big buck, I think, but I'm gonna slow the video down to show you guys. But we ended up being about two trucks behind, and ran over the main body because there was no getting out of its way. And plus, you never want to do that. Just pile drive through it, let off the gas so that way you can not hurt yourself. But anyway, I'm gonna show you this video, and it's pretty interesting, but always keep your eyes on the road and hands on the steering wheel. 10 and 2, baby. But here we go. Catch up to it, and it never fails. And then there's a path, see? I couldn't wait. Fuck.
Oh, damn.
That deer was already down. I just ran over it.
I know. I need to check. I
Yep.
think he hit it.
Yeah. Yeah, one of them hit it. Yep. Oh, fuck, dude. God damn. Gonna be a second. I gotta bend this fender back out, and there's blood all over it. All right, so we stopped. Some guy hit a deer, and then we hit the remains of him, and it's pretty gross. Let's see. There's all the guts. My whole underside of my trailer is just disgusting, like The Walking Dead. But I had to bend the fender back out. Let's see. There it is. Yummy. Oh, this can take a pressure washer. Yeah, I hit this. The wheel is covered in blood and smells like ass. But yeah, right there. Hit the front fender. I had to get it bent off the tire. Luckily, everything else seems fine.
stopped, or that passed us, he was right behind that car. Because he pulled over and then he zoomed on off again. I'm like, dude, you could have been the person that hit that deer.
Yeah. Yeah.
You not think you might want to slow down a little bit?
I know. Oh, we got push back up. And then everybody blowing by me when it. Huh?
Where is it? Get that off camera.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
Running over that.
Yeah. Man. Well, people not getting over when I'm standing there flashing them away from me.
Yeah.
Like, damn. Yeah, the headlights are not as bright anymore. But yeah, we need to take it a little slower just in case.
Yeah.
The car behind us is going to have like intestines fly on it. Oh God, it's.
That shit in that collar is not broken. I'll be surprised.
I'm shocked they don't have half the deer underneath the truck. Or stuck under the trailer is what I meant. Definitely shredded that deer. I gotta get the pressure washer after the trailer. I just sent it to the group if you dare want to look at it. Man, that guy, his car, that guy's car was smoked like he crushed his radiator. It looked like it was a buck. When I hit it, it was one hell of a deer stop. All right, so we're at the house and now it's daylight. Able to see what happened, but that deer nailed the fender here. It was bent back onto the tire. And then, of course, got blood all through the wheels here. And then, yeah, I think there's still stuff hanging from the axle, but blood all through here. And it burst onto the side. And then what's crazy is the entire back panel, the hauler here, is coated in deer hair and blood splatter. Totally need Dexter to have handled this situation, but it is everywhere. Anyway, I gotta unload this trailer and then go give it a good wash. Oh, yep, intestine things are still there. I thought they would fall off, but yeah, Walking Dead shit right there. All right, let me get this thing unloaded. Yeah, what's great is nothing happened to the truck. So went all under there, it's rolling good. And anyway, so that's a plus. Whew, what a mess. Well, I hope you found that little video interesting. But be safe out there. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Talk to y'all soon. Don with UniquelyDOUBLEBEE out.